And welcome to a new exciting video from Wondershare Dr.Fone. This is your host Francisco with a new valuable topic. So we all know that Apple has launched its iPhone 15 with some interesting features. However, with all of these features, there are also going to be some glitches in the iPhone as well. So some users have reported that their iOS device gets stuck in recovery mode for unknown reasons. Well, this can be frustrating for many users in times of urgent need of the device. Therefore, to help you exit stuck recovery mode on iPhone 15, we have listed some of the most reliable methods in this video. Thus, make sure that you watch this video all the way up until the very end to understand how these solutions work effectively. So besides this, before we move to the main part of the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates just like this. Now, let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. What is recovery mode and how useful is it? Well, before we start exploring the exit methods from the recovery mode of the iPhone, it is essential to understand what this feature is and why it is useful. Thus, to understand it in simple words, you can say that it is pretty much a feature that helps you in fixing critical software issues. Typically, it is a fail-safe mechanism that plays a key role when normal iOS has encountered some glitch. Therefore, in order to understand it in more depth, let's go ahead and check out some of the other use cases. Software issue resolution. If your iPhone 15 experiences a server software glitch and you cannot fix it with standard methods, then recovery mode can be your only hope. So using this, you can restore your device's OS to a stable state so that the software glitches can be resolved quickly. Data recovery and restoration. In case that the iPhone 15 becomes unresponsive or doesn't start up due to operating system issues, recovery mode helps you to make sure that your device becomes responsive again. Firmware update and downgrade. So besides fixing software glitches and restoring the iPhone to a stable OS state, recovery mode is also used to update or downgrade iPhone firmware. This purpose is beneficial in situations when you're experiencing some compatibility issues. Device erasure and setup. So if you plan to sell or give away your iPhone, ensuring that it does not have your important data is very important. For this, users use recovery mode to erase all of their data and settings in a secure way. Part 2. Why iPhone 15 gets stuck in the recovery mode. So now that we have understood what recovery mode is and how it is helpful in multiple scenarios, it is time to focus on some reasons that cause the iPhone 15 to get stuck in recovery mode. So this is because when you know that the root cause of a problem or what it is, then solving it becomes much more manageable. So we're going to dive right into that right now. First is just going to be failed software updates. The first reason that your iPhone 15 can get stuck in recovery mode is due to failed software updates. However, if these software or let's say firmware updates processes encounter errors, then it can cause your iPhone 15 to get stuck in recovery mode. Number 2. Jailbreaking attempts. If you're trying to jailbreak your iPhone 15 using recovery mode, then there is going to be a possibility that your device can get stuck. So it is because whenever you try to bypass Apple's restrictions due to some wrong attempts, your recovery mode can actually get stuck. Incompatible apps for number 3. Having some compatible apps installed on your iPhone can cause your iPhone's operating system to become unstable. This instability can eventually trigger the recovery mode and then cause your iPhone 15 to get stuck. Number 4. Hardware-related issues. A hardware malfunction such as, let's say, a battery, side button, or screen issue can affect your device's stability. This can also cause your iPhone 15 to get stuck in recovery mode. Number 5. Data corruption. In case your iPhone 15 faces sudden power loss during a critical operation, there is a chance of data corruption within the iPhone storage. This can make your iPhone malfunction and lead to the activation of recovery mode where your iPhone can get stuck in. Number 6. Software glitches. Sometimes there is a possibility that the newly launched iOS version has some glitches in it. Due to these glitches, there is a possibility that your iOS device can get stuck in recovery mode. Part 3. 4 efficient ways to fix iPhone 15 that just won't exit recovery mode. Now, knowing the reasons why a specific error is occurring on your iPhone 15, it becomes easier to resolve it smoothly. Thus, to move ahead, let's explore in depth the most reliable solutions that you can follow to fix the iPhone 15 stuck in recovery mode. Fix number 1. Force restart iPhone 15. One of the most common fixes that can assist you in fixing your iPhone 15 stuck in recovery mode is the force restarting method. Now, this solution often serves as an effective solution in times of need. This method is especially designed to break free from iPhone that has recovery mode on it and other glitches. Thus, let's go ahead and take a look at the instructions on how you can use this method effectively. Initiate the force restore process by pressing and releasing the volume up button of your iPhone 15 quickly. Afterward, immediately press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Make sure to hold this button until the Apple logo appears on the screen and your device is underway to force restart itself. Fix number 2. Try restoring or updating the iPhone. So, moving ahead, if your iPhone 15 is stuck in recovery mode, then using iTunes or Finder is an excellent option to resolve this issue. However, to use this option, you're pretty much required to have a computer that has the latest version of iTunes or Finder installed on it. So after ensuring this, just go ahead and follow these steps coming right up in order to make this method go through with ease. Launch iTunes or Finder on your system and connect the iPhone 15 using the USB-C cable. Now once it is connected, then iTunes or Finder will automatically detect your iPhone and will prompt you to update or restore. Here you are recommended to go with update first to get your iPhone 15 out of stuck recovery mode. This is because the updating method does not affect the data whatsoever. If this method does not work, try out the restore option to fix the issue. Fix number 3. Use DFU mode. So when all of the standard methods fail, the only robust method that helps iOS users resolve their device issue is the DFU mode. Using this mode, the user can interact with the iPhone at the firmware level, which is more profound than recovery mode. Thus, to use this method for fixing the iOS stuck issue, these steps can help you quite a lot. So let's go ahead and have a look at that. Start the process by turning off your iPhone and plugging it into your system with the USB cable. Following this, ensure that the latest version of iTunes or Finder is running on your system and press and hold the side button of your iPhone 15 for 3 seconds. Furthermore, while holding the side button, press and hold the volume down button, and then keep holding both buttons for 10 seconds. Now next, and this is very important, release the side button and keep holding the volume down button for another 5 seconds. Once the last 5 seconds are completed, that's when you're going to release the volume down button, and the screen is illuminated but blank. This indicates that your iPhone has entered DFU mode successfully. Then on iTunes or Finder, it's all going to automatically detect your iPhone 15 in DFU mode and will give you the option to restore or update your iPhone. In case the update option does not work to fix your iPhone 15, we recommend using the restore option to reinstall the iOS firmware to make your device work like new once more. Fix number 4. Wondershare Dr.Fone. After applying all of the solutions, for instance, if you can still not get your iPhone 15 to exit from recovery mode even after using DFU mode, then using a third-party software more powerful than all of these methods is going to be highly recommended. Therefore, in such case, we suggest that you use Wondershare Dr.Fone iOS system repair to get your device out of recovery mode quickly. It is because this tool allows you to fix more than 150 iOS issues, including the Apple logo, boot loop, and more in no time whatsoever. Besides this, with this tool, you can quickly enter and exit DFU mode and recovery mode for free without getting stuck at any point. Therefore, to use this tool effectively, just go ahead and follow these step-by-step instructions coming right up. Install and access the latest version of Wondershare Dr.Fone on your system and then connect your iPhone 15 using the USB cable. After this, click on Toolbox from the left side panel in the main window of the tool and then choose the System Repair option. Afterward, on a new pop-up window, select the nature of the device as iPhone to move ahead. Now, choose Toolbox Repair in the following screen and then follow it by choosing Exit Recovery Mode. Now, in addition, confirm your choice by clicking the Exit Recovery Mode on the next screen to successfully exit your iPhone 15 that has been stuck in recovery mode for some time now. And with this, today's video has come to an end. We hope that you have gotten your iOS device out of recovery mode by using reliable methods. However, in case these standard methods are unable to resolve the issue, then choosing Wondershare Dr.Fone is a good option. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or queries, do ask them in the comment section. Following this, do make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated about new upcoming videos. Now with that said, until next time, have a good one.